Last week, I shared the origins of my self-imposed repurpose challenge. So continuing that, today I'm going to be using the skeleton tee, also from my Halloween 2021 collection. I'll link its creation in the description box below. When I saw the stack of tees and looked at the ribcage pattern, I wondered if I could create a new sense of being, or an internal light that could shine from the darkness, kind of like matter versus antimatter or Big Bang Theory. Of course, Big Bang made me think of June, which led to Valentine's Day, hence this being the second item, and my favorite, of my small Valentine's Day collection. I soaked the tees in soda ash, spun them out until they were almost dry, and then tied them up using the Crumple technique. Here I'm using Dharma fiber reactive dyes in Grape, Plum, and Nightshade. I then apply a generous layer of soda ash. Experiment time! Ask anyone what they know about Seattle, and you'll probably hear one, if not all three of the following. Coffee, grunge music, and of course rain. And this winter, we have had an abundance of it. I thought the activation in ice dyeing is the melting ice, so why would that not equate to the 34-degree light rain? So outside we go for 24 hours. Next day, I bagged the shirts up and left them inside for another 24 hours to cure. I wash away all the remaining dye under cold water, and then I run 2 cold rinse cycles in the washing machine and 1 hot cycle using detergent. Of all the shirts I've created lately, this is by far my favorite. It's like a starry galaxy, just inside of someone. I post new content every Friday, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.